Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing y'all how you can change your needle on your Serger machine. It's very simple, it's very easy, so we're not going to waste no time and get right to it. As y'all can see, my B needle is currently broken off. What I am going to do is use my screwdriver and I'm going to put it right where the B is, right between that screw. Now while I am unscrewing, I have a finger at the very bottom to catch this needle because it will fall down into your machine. I loosened it just enough so I can pull it down, but if it did fall, my finger was there to catch it. When it comes to replacing needles, I like to use the titanium universal needles. Since I already have a pack open, I am just going to use that and put it right in. As y'all can see, the needle has a flat side and it also has a round side. You always want to insert it with the flat side facing backwards, just like this. Now to insert the needle, I'm going to put one finger on the flat side and one finger on the round side, just like this, and then I'm going to insert it in. Just like that. I pushed it up and made sure it's secure. While I'm holding it with my finger, I am going to tighten that screw. You will feel the needle tighten. And that's pretty much it. You now have a new needle installed on your Serger machine.